This is a brief introduction to the revenue engine system. Businesses do three things. They market and sell a product or a service. They deliver the product or that service to the customer, and then they count and distribute the funds. So they sell, they do, and they count. But many businesses could be a lot better at the selling. If they ignore the sell part of the equation, then they're destined to underperform or worse. This is an introduction to maximize the sell. From my experience, I'm sad to say external agencies and in-house teams underperform. There seems to be a lack of knowledge of how to deliver what's required to generate revenue for a business. Fundamentally, there's often a lack of understanding about why we do certain things, about the importance of understanding the customer, of understanding the process of marketing to a target audience to create a funnel that then turns into a genuine sales opportunity, and of how to close that sale. Marketing and sales should be considered one operation, the sell part of the business equation. It's the lifeblood of the business. And yet, 82% of CEOs and business owners of SMEs in the UK believe quite rightly that their marketing is underperforming. The stats show us that underperformance can be as much as 60%. So for every £10,000 spent, £6,000 is wasted, but that's not the real issue. The real issue is that when businesses have underperforming revenue generation, they're less likely to grow. A business that relies on organic growth and word of mouth may do well in the beginning, but then it will achieve flatline or maybe 5% growth. Whilst a well-oiled marketing and sales machine, a revenue engine, can create exponential growth of at least 30% per annum if the market is big enough. For a £2 million turnover business with a 9% marketing budget, which is typical across most industries, the wasted budget could be 60% of that £180,000. That's £108,000 down the drain. The really frightening figure, though, is lost growth. A £2 million turnover business with 30% year-on-year growth will generate £4.4 million by year 3. So the real cost isn't 3 years of wasting £108,000, so that's £324,000. It's that plus the lost increased revenue of potentially £2.4 million. So that's a massive £2.7 million downside because the sell actions aren't done well. So this is something that really, really needs to be fixed if you're going to grow the business. This guide is a framework to get your business started on that process. So get on board, strap in, and we'll show you how this system makes generating revenue way easier.